In this video, we're going to talk about the best filters to use on Skyscanner. First, all I can recommend is to choose here onto the travelers and cabin class. In order for you to choose a cheap price, all I can recommend is to choose on to the economy type and then click on search. Now from here, we can find different kind of filters. They have direct flights, suggested for you on a specific place. Now after that, you can scroll down and find a specific place that will be probably cheaper than the other places. For example, I'm going to choose here on Katiklan. Now after that, we can find here a different kind of specific dates. You can also go on to their charts, wherein you can find a different kind of payment or price including onto their dates. This is like a graph. Now if you're going to select a specific date, it also included the price, the date, and also the time. Now after that, if you are good to go using these filters or the graph, you can just simply click on explore hotels or find flights and wait for it to load. Now from here, if you decided that you wanted to go on this specific place, choose a specific airlines that you wanted to fly with. And then after that, hit on select. From here, you can choose what kind of travel or booking ticket that you want. You can choose a specific cheaper one. Like from here on the vacatrip.com, they have a 4,000, while onto the ly.com, they only cost you 2,688. Click on book now and then proceed. All you're gonna do is to input your payment information and then you're good to go. And those are the best filter to use on Skyscanner. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.